My name is Simona. I'm 23 years old and I study Design Management International in the third year. I will tell you a little bit about the experience of the study program, starting with the first year. In the first year you gain basic knowledge, first of design in general, in terms of organization, sustainability, and also in system thinking. But you also have other subjects that help to profound your knowledge, such as project management, marketing, business thinking. So you have a little bit of everything, which then later on helps you to understand companies or organizations better. In the second year, it's really about deepening your knowledge that you gained throughout the first year. And what is really beneficial, you have the chance to do an internship where you then actually can implement your knowledge that you gained throughout the study program. So you really get hand-on-site understanding of the subjects. And then the third year is about bringing all the knowledge, all the learnings and skills together. You really deepen those skills into very important projects, especially the bachelor thesis that will conclude the 3 years of the study program. DMI helps you to approach situations or projects in a more open-minded way. And it adds your skills in terms of critical, systemical, which allows you to improve systems and organizationals process-based. This is really something that makes you as a design manager outstanding compared to other programs, because this process-based approach in projects allows you to be more close to people and find out their needs in a different way as we have known so far. It's really more natural and more human-centered. One of the biggest learnings at DMI, besides teamwork, is the communication. You will develop a very sensitive language on how to encounter people and how to talk to them sensitively. This also adds you to be more professional in a business context where you are more aware of how and what you want to find out. In DMI, we have the chance to do an internship in the 4th semester. I started to look into the job offers, and I was lucky to find several job opportunities, and one of them was change management, where I could practice the skills that I learned here at Design Management. So I had a job at Postauto, which is a transportation company in Switzerland. I worked in change management, and I had the chance to help with a strategic project. It is possible to connect the internship with your bachelor thesis if you want that. It is an advantage because you already gained insights into the company. The benefit of an internship is that you really can see the theory that you learn here at DMI and then put into context, into reality in a company. So when you come back from the internship, you really gain value in understanding what organization means and where take place that you probably have discussed during class. So I would recommend to get this practical experience, because you then not only can implement the skills that you have learned, but also for further studies, you can really imagine what happens in the real world. As a design manager, you don't really have a recipe. You just follow the process, what you hear, what you grasp from the atmosphere, from the people that surround you, from the tasks or exercises given. And you can really emerge into this person that helps an organization in a way that you think it's good and where you think that you can make or have an impact. The most important reason to study design management for me is teamwork. I think also in thinking in terms of the future and future career, you will always work together with people. So teamwork is essential, and working 3 years together with a class demands a lot of social skills and also communicational skills. And I really appreciate that I can learn them here and develop them here. So this is one aspect that makes design management outstanding, the way how you get taught things. When you study design management, you are sometimes even forced to be open-minded and to be brave, but in a good way. Most of the time, people are afraid of new things when they encounter new situations. But here you really have the chance to embrace new situations into something good. And it really helps to companies because sometimes you are stuck in a procedure or in a solution-oriented manner, how you want to tackle things. But as a design manager, you really learn to bring in new perspectives and to just go into topics and exercises without being afraid of it. And that needs patience, but this patience is worth it because you can see the outcome, which is really impactful.